Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to install Git. How to install Git. So this is my Google Chrome. So in the search bar, you have to type Git, Git download for, for Windows 10. For Windows 10. So you'll be having downloads here. So you can click on the downloads button here and it's loading. Okay, why it's taking time. So after click on this and we'll be having the latest source release 2.45.1. So you can click on download for Windows. So you'll be having the 64-bit version Git for Windows. So based upon your Windows, you can install 32-bit Git or 64-bit for Windows setup. So mine is 64-bit, so I will install 64-bit version. So click here to download. See here, the kit is downloading. So wait for some time, or we can read some points here. So we'll be having using WinZip tool, and you have to install WinZip tool. If you don't already have it, then type this command in command prompt or PowerShell to install the kit. So in this way also we can install it. So you'll be having ProGit book and everything. So it's connected. Why it's loading slowly. So now I will pause this video. So after download completed, after completing the Git download, I will get back to you. So welcome back, friends. So I have downloaded the Git here. You can see Git 2.45.1. So you can click on this thing. Then you will have to click on X, and you'll be having some important information before continuing. So if you have any times, you can read all these points, and finally you have to click on next. And this is the path where this kit was stored, and you'll be having at least 339.1 MB of disk spaces required to store this kit. So click on next. So already exists. Would you like to install to the any folder anyway? Yes. So you'll be having the default checkbox ticked. So leave like this and click on next. And click on next. And it is a Vim. You can use Notepad, Visual Studio Code inside it. So by default, I'm using a Vim. So you can click on next now. And here, let's use default branch name master. So I want to uh, leave it as master. So click on next. And you will be having a kit from command line and also from third-party software. It's recommended. So I'm leaving as it is. Click on next, and this is uses the ssh.exe that comes with Git. So click on next and click on next again, and you'll be having checkbox window style, commit Unix style line and links. So Git will convert LF to CRLF when checking out text files. When committing the text files, CRLF will be converted to LF. For cross-platform projects, this is a recommended settings of Windows. So I'm clicking on next. Click on next again and leave as like this. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And enabling experiment support for serial consoles. This allows running native console programs like Node Python in a Git bash Windows without using WinPy. But unfortunately, not quite stable yet. So we should not check this. We should not check this box. Enable experimental built-in file system monitor. Automatically run a built-in file system watch at speed up common operations such as git status, git add, git commit, etc. What should contain. containing many files. So it's no enable XML built-in file system monitor. Speed up common operators such as status. So we can click on this. So what's the containing work trace containing many files. So let I choose this option and click on install now. So it's installed. You can see. So it's taking some time. Wait until it is installed. So it's completing the Git setup result. So click on finish. Click on finish. Click on finish, and you can see the Git for Windows 2.5 release notes, introduction and known issues, and new features, bug fixes, and changes in 2.4.50, and all these things you can see. And you can click on it and you can get the required information to use this Git. To use this Git. So for checking whether it's installed in our system or not, you have to open the command prompt and you have to click it. So you're getting some information, right? Git, and so that's it, friends. If you get this information, that means you have installed Git in your system. And if you want to check the version, Git iPhone version, and you'll get 2.445.1 Windows.1. So that's it, friends. This is how you can install a Git in a system. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.